Hello everyone, here we are with the topic of how to delete a values or a single or a multiple records from the database DB. Before this video I have made two videos that where I have explained you how to create a database and how to insert a values into a database and how to update a values. Now here in this video you can see how to delete a value from the database. So this is how the program is written. I mentioned all these contents in previous videos. Now once again see how this import mysql.connector will work. I have to install mysql connector of a Python, then only this import will work. Import mysql.connector. This will connect my database mysql with a Python software. Now mysql.connector.connect is a class which will help me for making a connection. Now how this connection will be done? I have to mention a host name, that is host is localhost. Why this localhost is mysql and Python software will be on a same PC, that's why it's localhost. If mysql is in another PC, then it will be a IP address of that PC. Now here username I have given of mysql is Praveen and password is root, that I have to mention here. Now database I have already created in a first video, that is DB. Now all this connection is connected using a connect class to a mysql. This will be given in a variable called mydb. So remember, mydb is a variable which will have all these connections. Now cursor is a method which will travels or takes the SQL query that I have mentioned in your program. So whatever the query I will mention in my program, that cursor will take that and execute that. So cursor is a method which will help me to taking a SQL query. MyDB, where I have to execute this query on MySQL, that is in MyDB variable. So MyDB.cursor, these two interconnected. Why? Because I have to execute cursor on my database MySQL. So there will be a variable called cur where I am taking this cursor into a cur. Now what is query I am doing? I already explained you that I am deleting a record from my database. Yes is a variable which will take a query. The query is delete from employee table where name is equal to Raj. So wherever the name is Raj, it will delete that record. Where that record is in, it is in EMP table. So let's see what is EMP table. In the last video I have seen, this is the EMP table where Rahul record is updated 29,000. Now what I am doing, delete from EMP. Yes, this is the EMP where name is equal to Raj. Wherever the name is Raj, it will delete this record. So after executing this query, I will get this is the output. So Raj will be deleted from the record. Again you have to do select star from EMP after executing this program. Now this record or a query will be in a yes. I have to execute this query. How to execute? I have told you, cursor will take this query cur.execute of yes. Yes will have a query, cursor will take that and execute that. But execution is not only the solution. You have to make changes in database, that is MyDB. MyDB will have all the connections I have told you. So MyDB changes will be done. What are all the changes? These changes, record deletion changes, will be done by using a commit command. So MyDB is a database. All the connections dot commit command will execute this query, execute this yes cursor and make a changes in a database. To make a changes, commit command is there. For to execute the query, execute command is there. To take that query, cursor is there. So cursor, then query, then cursor dot execute, and whatever the execution you done, that will be committed in a MyDB. So this is how the record will be deleted from your database by using MySQL and Python. Thank you.